आज मैं टियर रैंक करने वाली हूँ ऑल द मूवीज दैट आई सीन इन द ईयर 2020। 5 कैटेगरी है। बाप, रुला दिया पगले, ठीक ठाक, बस कीजिए, बहुत हो गया, एंड मारो मुझे मारो मुझे मुझे मारो क्योंकि मैंने बहुत टाइम वेस्ट कर दिया है सड़ी हुई पिक्चर्स पे 40 टाइम्स। लेट्स डू दिस। वही फर्स्ट मूवी है 365, जो मैं सीधा डाल रही हूँ मारो मुझे मुझे मारो, बिकॉज मैंने टाइम वेस्ट कर दिया बहुत सारा उस पर। 1.5-2 घंटा सॉफ्ट पॉर्न। इट इज़ एब्सोल्युटली सॉफ्ट पॉर्न मूवी। मूवी में स्टोरी लाइन ही नहीं है। देयर इज नो स्टोरी लाइन। वो माफिया होता है, उसका डैड का मर्डर हो जाता है, वो लड़की को किडनैप कर लेता है। कोई रीज़न नहीं है लड़की को किडनैप करने का। वो उसके एनिमी से रिलेटेड भी नहीं है वो लड़की, जस्ट वो कर लेता है किडनैप। एंड फिर बोलता है तू शादी कर ले। लड़की हाँ बोल देती है। लड़की बहुत सारा शॉपिंग करती है। दे हैव लॉट ऑफ सेक्स डिफरेंट प्लेसेस अराउंड द वर्ल्ड एंड दैट्स अबाउट इट। कुछ भी नहीं है मूवी में। there's no like mafia action kuch to, and I feel like they left it on a cliffhanger, so I was expecting like a part 2. I think there was supposed to be a part 2, but possibly not. Let's hope for the best. Fingers crossed there's no part 2 for this. Next up है After We Collided, मारो मुझे। Again a rubbish title, book turned into a movie. एक्चुअली ये ब्लॉग हुआ करता था ऑन वैटपैड, एंड वैटपैड से वो ऑथर ने कन्वर्ट किया बुक में, एंड द बुक got acquired by some stupid company that thought that maybe इसकी मूवी बना सकते हैं, एंड इसका पार्ट 1 was also rubbish, पार्ट 2 was also is rubbish. अभी नेटफ्लिक्स पे रिलीज हुआ है आफ्टर वी कोलाइडेड। टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन दीज teenagers slash out of school kids, just toxic. नेक्स्ट अप है कैप्टन अमेरिका। आई थिंक दिस वॉज द वेरी वेरी फर्स्ट वन। मेरा ये साल का गोल रहा है टू वॉच ऑल द मार्वल मूवीज, विच इज एब्सोल्युटली इम्पॉसिबल टू वॉच बिकॉज देयर सो मेनी ऑफ देम, एंड आई चैलेंज माई सेल्फ। थोड़े तो देखते हैं, देन आई स्टार्टेड, एंड कैप्टन अमेरिका बाय फार हैव बिन सो फार हैव बिन वन ऑफ माई बेस्ट मूवी आउट इन द एंटायर सीरीज। जितना भी मैंने देखा है, it is so good, and his storyline actually makes sense कि वो ऐसे दुबला पतला रहता है and फिर he gets injected and the storyline makes sense. It makes sense, absolutely perfect sense कि वो ऐसा हो गया, बन गया वो। It's nothing कि कोई kryptonite या कोई spider ने bite, nothing as such. The story makes sense and the acting was so good. रुला दिया पगले ने, like this is that one movie that I'll sit down and rewatch it with you again because it is that good. Next up है Civil War, बाप कैटेगरी। कैप्टन अमेरिका कोई भी मेरे को दे दो, I'll put it in बाप कैटेगरी। Iron Man 1 was also pretty good. I'm saying this pretty good because I remember the plot line. First of all, the acting was brilliant, and it's just the start of everything. The first movies are usually amazing. I'll put Iron Man 2 and Iron Man 3 in Ruladia Pagle category because we know what's gonna happen. I don't think Iron Man 2 was as memorable. Iron Man 1 was really good. Like I really loved it. I really loved Robert Downey Jr.'s acting is so good. Next up है Avengers, बाप कैटेगरी। इसमें तो कुछ बोल ही नहीं सकते। I'm gonna put all three in the first tier 1, बाप कैटेगरी, so good. नेक्स्ट अप है ब्लैक पैंथर। हाय क्या बोलूँ मैं, बाप कैटेगरी ऑफ कोर्स। Thor needs to go in BAP as well, both of it. I remember both the movies ke plot line. Can you imagine? It is that good. He's God. He's not like कुछ तो भी उसके इसमें इंड्यूस किया हो, डोप किया हो, या उसे किसी ने काटा हो कि वो कुछ दूसरा बन गया हो, यू नो। ही इज गॉड, पीरियड पीरियड। ही इज गॉड, ही इज कमिंग फ्रॉम अदर वर्ल्ड, एंड ये उसकी स्टोरी, जिस उसका जो वर्ल्ड बताया थॉर में, वो जो ब्रिज होता है एंड देन दे गो फ्रॉम दैट रेल्म टू द रियल वर्ल्ड अर्थ, just oh god, so good. Thor ka plot line is also so good, and just for the love he meets the part 2 में जब वो उसके प्यार को मिलता है, the woman he falls in love with, the human, he finds the human, and just oh so good, heart melting. The Hulk, I think this was a okayish movie for me, ठीक ठाक, as I said, you know, he was dope. Something went wrong and then he turned into that, and maybe I might change it at the end. Let's see. Homecoming, Spider-Man, the Homecoming, what? Spider-Man Homecoming, that's it, right? That's it. I don't know the entire name of it. It's also a ठीक-ठाक movie for me. Tom Holland की है. Zendaya probably might be the reason I might, you know what, I'll just put it to Ladia Pagle because he was actually good. I remember the story now, yeah. I've watched this movies back in July, so if I remember them still in December, that means those movies are actually good. Okay, next up. Next up has Snowpiercer by Bun Jong-ho. I'll put this in BAP category. First of all, Bun Jong-ho, if I'm wrong, please correct me, but he makes these beautiful films about caste and tier discrimination in the society in general around the world. He shows कि rich कितने rich हो सकते हैं, poor कितने poor हो सकते हैं, and the ignorance of rich people towards poor people is just so beautifully portrayed. Snowpiercer is another one of those movies. ट्रेन में वो लोग डिफरेंट कैटेगरी ऑफ पीपल होते हैं, टीयर 1, टीयर 2, टीयर 3, एंड जो टेल ऑफ द ट्रेन पे होते हैं वो लोग. एंड द लास्ट हाफ आवर had me crying. It was traumatic, and those are the kind of movies that I want to look forward to because it was so good. I don't understand how this does not get an Oscar, but the next movie did, Parasite. Watch it. Go blindly watch it. Aag band karo aur dekh lo. It was so good. Next up, a Little Women. I'll put this as theek thak. Personally, acting was brilliant story. We all knew what was coming. Just I think I only watched it for Emma Watson. That was pretty much it. Emma Watson is Hermione Granger from Harry Potter. She was part of this movie. Story of 4 sisters. It was a classic book turned into a movie. एंड इसके बहुत सारे मूवीज़ के एडिशंस बन चुके हैं, सो यू ऑल कैन वॉच एनी ऑफ द वर्जन. दिस वॉज द लेटेस्ट वर्जन, लिटिल वुमेन. आई थिंक इट्स स्टिल ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स, यू कैन चेक दैट आउट. जुमांजी, I think this is the next level. This is part 2. I'll put this as Ruladia Pagle because it was so good, so good. First, this is a refreshed version of Jumanji. The very very first Jumanji was, I believe, in 1990s में release हुआ था, and then now they refreshed it, and now there's this Dwayne The Rock Johnson है इसके अंदर, and Joe Jonas है, Kevin Hart I believe है, and there's also 4th character there. I think there's also a woman playing there. Just the part 1 was so good. They came out with part 2. Amazon Prime पे दोनों भी अभी, please go watch it. It's so freaking brilliant. I love the part 2 more than part 1. Part 2 में बहुत ज़्यादा funny. It was just overall so funny. It was so good, so flipping good. And the horse, like, wait till you see the end of the horse. I did not expect what the horse could do, and just so good. Next up here, Smallfoot. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my god, so good. Animation was so good, so good, so good. Bigfoot is something that I've seen, and then they came out with Smallfoot, and I was like, kya hai, dekhte hain. I'm usually not a big fan of animated movies, but when I do, and when the animated movies are also as good as the time that I spent on it, like Paisa Vasool, oh my god, it was really good. Smallfoot was really good. विंटर टाइम चल रहा है, अगर आपको एक मूवी देखनी है अभी ठंडी ठंडी में, स्मॉलफुट देखो, इट्स रियली गुड. नेटफ्लिक्स है अभी वो. नेक्स्ट अप है ज़ॉम्बी लैंड. 10 साल बाद उन्होंने पार्ट 2 निकाला ज़ॉम्बी लैंड का अगैन. इट्स प्रीटी गुड. आई वुड नॉट से इट्स दैट बैड. इट्स प्रीटी गुड. नेक्स्ट अप है मॉर्निंग ग्लोरी. ओहो, I want to put this in BAP category, but I'll put this as Ruladia Pagle because on the worst days of my life, I put Morning Glory on. Morning Glory में सब कुछ अच्छा ही होता है, सब कुछ अच्छा होता है, कहीं उसका कुछ गलत नहीं होता है, सब कुछ अच्छा होता है. And that is why I watch Morning Glory. Next up है The Willoughbys. Oh my god, Willoughbys is also so good. Animated Netflix की original show, TV मूवी है, टीवी सीरीज बोल, मूवी है, इतनी बढ़िया एनिमेशन, इतनी बढ़िया, इतना बढ़िया क्या, आई कैन नॉट इवन. फिर है डेविल वेयर्स द प्राडा. इट स्ट्रेट अवे गोज टू रुलादिया पगले because it's that good. It's for those, I reserve these 2-3 movies for those days when I'm actually very down and I want to feel good. So that Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, I'm gonna put this in Bhap category simply because there are so many elements that I have missed out when I was young, and now that I actually see it, it's more of a hilarious than a romantic movie for me. Like, I just watch and I just laugh. That's about sarcastically I laugh. Actually I laugh, and the jokes they put on, even for that I laugh. Just this, I continuously have never laughed so much. 2020 needs more laughter, and if there's one movie you need to check out right now, it's Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. I think it's on Netflix right now. Go watch it. Reputation. It was actually an eye opener for me to see a musician's behind the scene life, where she actually talks about how people creep her out and follow her, and that for her to be so open, and for her to be so open and talking about elections and who she's voting, that it can be that कि लोग उसके पीछे लोग threaten कर सकते हैं उसको मारने के लिए, murder के लिए, and she've gotten this threats before, and I was like, that's messed up. Like, if this is what you get when you become famous, nobody should have money, that's messed up. So she's shown some real hard facts in this Reputation tour, this Netflix original ये है documentary. Watch it. I loved it. I loved every second of it. Made in China, ठीक ठाक, कुछ नहीं बोलूँगी. Malal was also very ठीक ठाक picture. Maska was like, बस कीजिए, बहुत हो गया. I could not watch it through. The only reason I kept watching was because of Shirley Sethia. Shirley was the opposite star cast against that main guy, Rumi. Shirley का character इतना cute and beautiful है. I wish I could have played that character because it's just the character was really cute and nice. Okay, next up. I don't know if you're gonna agree with me or not on this, but I will just put it out there. Miss India. The trashiest movie of the year award goes to Miss India. I wasted my 2 hours. Like, I wanna cry. Maro mujhe, because just इतने सारे plot hole है कि after every scene I want to ask, what, why, how, कैसे. शी इज सिटिंग इन अ मीटिंग रूम में 10 लोग होंगे टेबल के आजू बाजू बैठे हुए, एंड वो 10 लोग आधे अमेरिकन, आधे तमिल वाले, आधे प्रॉब्ली मतलब इंग्लिश मिक्स स्पीकर्स थे, एंड शी वॉज स्पीकिंग इन हर आई थिंक तेलुगु लैंग्वेज, आई बिलीव, आई डोंट नो तमिल या तेलुगु पिक्चर है ये. शी स्पीकिंग इन हर नेटिव लैंग्वेज. आई एम थिंकिंग हियर उसके राउंड टेबल पे जो लोग बैठे हैं, जो इंडियन जो भी भाषा नहीं बोलते हैं, तमिल तेलुगु, उनको क्या समझता होगा. लाइक देयर सो मेनी फ्रिकिंग प्लॉट होल्स लाइक दिस दैट इट्स जस्ट सो मेनी. जस्ट वॉच इट, इट विल ब्लो योर माइंड कि अरे क्या देख रही हूँ मैं. इट वाज सो बैड. लाइक आई वांट टू क्राई. दैट आवर इज नॉट गोइंग टू एवर कम बैक. प्रिंसेस स्विच्ड अगेन. कैटेगरी स्टेट अब बस कीजिए, बहुत हो गया. और एक बार उन्होंने 4 वैनेसा हजन्स डाल दिए ना, तो मैं तो चूल्लू भर पानी में डूब मरूंगी, बिकॉज दिस वॉज प्रॉब्ली अनदर क्रैपीएस्ट मूवी ऑफ द. आई कांट. लाइक लिटरली बैकग्राउंड में चल रहा था एंड मैं कुछ मेरा ही काम कर रही है, एंड मैं यहाँ पे लिटरली स्पॉटिफाई से गाने सुन रही हूँ और वो मूवी चल रही है. लाइक इट वॉज दैट बैड फॉर मी. बट आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू वॉच इट सो दैट आई कुड जस्ट सी. ओके, हाँ ठीक है, चलो फॉरवर्ड. ओके, next movie, Shubh Mangal Zada Savdhan. This movie, I have watched it in theater, and for me personally, I think it was somewhere between Ruladia Pagle and Theek Thak. I'll put it in Theek Thak. Like, I don't know, it was good. It was really good, but I think I did not enjoy the comedy. I don't know. My sister and my mom enjoyed the comedy, and I just could not enjoy the comedy aspect of it. It was just so Kali Gobi. Like, I just could not find it. I don't know. We'll read shuffle and see अगर कुछ होता है आखिरी में. 42 देखा मैंने ये साल. I think I'll just put it as बस कीजिए, बहुत हो गया, बिकॉज अगर पार्ट 3 आ गया तो सीरियसली मैं ही मर जाऊंगी. अब इतना घटिया The women, both these women, beautiful women, they actually look 15, 16ish, and then you put Tiger Shroff. Tiger Shroff is a brilliant dancer, possibly okayish actor, but वो दो लड़कियों के सामने वो इतना बड़ा दिखता है. Like, put these two 15-year-old and put this 25, 30-year-old Tiger Shroff in between. मतलब इतना ज़्यादा एज गैप एंड डिफरेंस. इट्स जस्ट awkwardest movie of the year, not even student of the year. स्ट्रीट डांस, मारो मुझे, देयर वाज नो स्टोरी एट ऑल. हाँ, अगर मुझे इनको सॉन्ग पे जज करना होता तो उसके हर एक सॉन्ग आर माइंड ब्लोइंग. आई वुड हैव पुट इट इन द बाप कैटेगरी. डाल दो बस, इनको फेंक ही दो बाप कैटेगरी में. बट नहीं, द मूवी वाज सो क्रैप. लाइक just the execution, overall execution was ridiculous, bad. Just stop it. Next up, Namesake. Oh god. Rest in peace, Irfan Khan. Rest in peace. I miss you and I love your movies so much. I am gonna put this in that category for sure. Namesake. One movie that made me ugly cry. Itna ganda ugly cry. Story of this immigrant parents moving to America. I believe Boston, Chicago, somewhere there. Irfan Khan is a professor. तब उसकी wife रहती, Bengali रहती. दोनों Bengali रहते. The wife does not do, like, she's a typical Indian homemaker, housewife. She moves with him and they have two babies, and उनके वो babies जो first generation American born होते हैं, immigrant parents, and that story just, it was tears in my eyes. It was so good. Welcome. I'm gonna put this in BAP category. Stop it. We all know what the story is, but 2020 अपन इतना कुत्ता साल रहा ना, कुत्ती चीज है 2020, and we all need that hilarity, that laughter. So what I do is I literally fast forward the Katrina Kaif and Akshay Kumar part, and I just watch the क्या बोलते हैं उसको, क्या नाम है मैं भूल गई, नाना पाटेकर एंड मिस्टर अनिल कपूर. यस, अनिल कपूर के पार्ट्स देखती हूँ मैं, एंड जस्ट ओवरऑल दे बोथ टुगेदर सो फनी, सो फ्रिकन फनी. परेश रावल ऐड कर दो, एंड देन दैट आई थिंक उसको सिंड्रोम होता है ये वाला, मुंडी हिलाने का, एंड जस्ट सो फनी. ओ माय गॉड, इट वाज सो गुड. छलांग वाज लाइक बस कीजिए बहुत हो गया टाइप. लाइक आई वाज लाइक लिटरली फास्ट फॉरवर्डिंग, कब खत्म होगा. इट वाज नॉट माय कप ऑफ टी. दिस वाज ब्रेथ ऑफ फ्रेश एयर फॉर दिस ईयर 2020. डॉली किट्टी और चमकते सितारे. I think I'll put this as Roladiya Pagle, because this was genuinely that movie which nobody saw it coming and which we wanted. Breath of fresh air. Bhumi Pednekar and Konkana Sen Sharma. Love these two duos together. There was story, there was romance, there was drama, a lot of it. There was this family dynamic going on. Especially for Bhumi Pednekar, coming from, uska jo character, she comes from a very small town to Mumbai, and she is working in call center, and just her story, her character जो होता है वो मूवी में it builds, and the story builds around it, and just there is a plot. It's really good. It's a breath of fresh air. Yes. Gully Boy. I think I put this as Theek Thaak. I think it's very overrated. I love Divine as a singer, Nazy as a singer. Their love story बोल रही हूँ, their life story together, whatever their collaborations, I feel like I would have enjoyed a documentary more than a movie. But it's great. I've loved the acting of Ranveer Singh. Beautiful. But I'll still put it in Theek Thaak. लास्ट ईयर अगर पूछा होता, लास्ट ईयर क्योंकि रिलीज हुई थी फरवरी में, लास्ट ईयर आई वुड हैव पुट दिस इन बाप कैटेगरी. बट दिस ईयर, लाइक नाउ दैट आई हैव सैट डाउन एंड थॉट अबाउट इट, यस, आई थिंक ठीक ठाक is okay. I don't know why they even sent this to be considered for Oscars. Next up है Gunjan Saxena. I think I'll put this in बस कीजिए बहुत हो गया. Honestly, if you watch the last 15-20 minutes of it, that would be enough. The acting is where she lagged, I believe. I did not like it. Like, I genuinely did not like it. It was just a breeze through bolenge. Completely fast forward kariye dekhi main picture, and last 10, 15, 20 minutes was really good. That was pretty much it. So here we are. This is where we stand. Do we want to change something? I love all the Avengers. Pink Panther, Black Panther. I love Pink Panther, but I've not seen it this year. I've seen all of these this year. Snowpiercer, loved. Parasite, welcome. Okay, this is fine. Jumanji, Smallfoot was really good. Morning Glory, Willoughby's was also very good. Dolly Kitty, interesting. I think I put Made in China for Bas Kijiye Bahut Ho Gaya. It was not as good as I thought it would be. Malal also I'll put Bas Kijiye Bahut Ho Gaya, because I think it was just too cheesy by the end of it. Like, I did not enjoy it as much as I should have. Sauti, I'll move it to Maro Mujhe Maro, because I absolutely wasted my time. I think even I want to put Princess Switch even in this category, because this was genuinely not enjoyed and watched. I liked the first one, but it was second was too far gone for me. Yeah, this is where we stand right now. Um, that's about it.